Alright, y'all, this gonna be a real different vlog, man. It's only different because of the circumstances. I'm wild fucking frustrated. Man, the last 10 days have been, I don't know what to call it, absolutely earth-shattering for me. I'm gonna be 100% really me and honest as fuck. I know my language is always bad, but I don't know. Last 10 days, right? Last 10 days, my brother died. I don't know from what, and I'm not sure I even want to know. So when I tell you I wanted to kill something, I did. That's just emotionally how I was feeling. I just wanted to kill something. I mean, that's kind of why right now I'm trying to exert some energy as I get a phone call. So yeah, it's been a quite hectic last 10 days. Fuck, yo. I just don't know what other way to get the energy out. Hence why I'm here fucking riding this goddamn bike. If I didn't feel because I'm frustrated, trying to do too much to make my heart explode, I would ride up there. Nah, I'm just recognizing that I'm frustrated, so I'm not gonna end myself doing something wild like that. Look, my life changed in the last 10 days. Actually, it's been shorter than that. It's been like a week. My father came downstairs joking with him, and he didn't move. And when he checked him, he was dead. So obviously he calls me, I run over there, I see him, yeah, he's dead. Now, this is my big brother, because I'm a little brother, but this ain't like hella years, you know, separated. This is my big brother by a couple of months, by like a year and some change. So we were like super close like that. That was my nigga. Last time I saw him was the Friday. We went and rode up to the wall. I talked to him the Saturday. And then when I got a call Sunday morning, he was dead. So all of these things, I don't know how to process all these emotions and shit. I had to tell my mother, she's in North Carolina. Had to tell her her son's dead. It's just crazy shit. So I don't really know how to deal with these emotions. I haven't really even thought about how to deal with them. My main thing has just been, thank God I'm an essential employee and I'm still working. So I've been working, trying to battle it out in my brain, but I haven't gotten to any conclusion or anything. Look at that, the park's all barricaded off. This is crazy. World has changed so much. I just don't even understand what the fuck is going on right now, you know? But I mean, at least I talked to my brother one last time. I gotta hold my breath as I pass by people now. So, talked to my brother one last time. I got the word he was dead. I got there quick enough that I found him laying there on the ground before the coroners came. And as much as I didn't want to believe that it was a real thing, it was definitely a real thing. My big brother was dead. So where did that leave me? Confused and concerned about my parents. My brother's a young man. So, I mean, I don't even know what he died from. It's just the point that I don't care because ain't nothing that I could know about it that's gonna make me feel okay about it, nor will it bring him back. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just speaking from a real place, because this is really how I feel. My emotions are high, my emotions are strong. I really want to hit something, you know what I'm saying? Like really fucking put my hands on something and fuck something up. Make something feel the pain that I feel. Like getting some of the energy out, you know what I mean? But, I mean, what was I gonna do besides cause myself more frustration and pain? And I'm just speaking from a very real place, and I'm not sugarcoating a motherfucking thing, cause this is really how I feel. That's really my emotions, you know? So, needless to say, like I said, and I just rolled over something in the park, which gave me a flat tire. Son of a bitch. Whore. Now I'm walking back. Great. This is just typical of how my week has been. God damn it. Going to work, this world is really weird. Where I worked at the last couple of days, I've been contracted, you know, you drive through a antibacterial spray, your whole car, like roll down your windows, drive through it, get sprayed, pull to the next checkpoint. They scan your vitals. Camera looking thing, they hold up. It gets like your body temperature of your pupils, the temperature, you know, coming out of your exhaust, your breath. You know, hot breath niggas need to watch out. Yeah, it's been like that the last couple days. Life has changed so fucking much. I'm so mad I just got a fucking flat, yo. Big old shit. That's a human shit right there. Oh man, I'm gonna walk back home, yo. The comedy in this is that it would happen to be mad far away, and it's all hills, basically, from where I caught the flat at. I ain't mad. I'm not mad. It's actually comedy. This is what I even get for belly aching for something, right? I was complaining about some shit, and now I got something new to complain about. So, you know, and none of it's bad, right? Because the ultimate fucking party poop would be, I could be dead, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't. So everything that goes on in life, if it's peril, is good. If it's pain, that means you still feel shit. I was gonna go ride the Kiwi, but man, I've been riding that too much. I need to get out a break. Maybe I'll go cruise to Mare Island and ride the R1 or something. Man, the whole reason for me even bringing this motherfucker out and riding it was because my partner, he's been trying to coax me into coming out in San Francisco with him and riding these motherfuckers since, like, everything's been so, it's deserted. Like, I haven't shown y'all how fucked up everything has been as far as the lack of people in highly populated areas. So San Francisco, all of San Francisco and downtown Oakland is to the point where it's absolutely a deserted oasis of fun. So my boy was like, man, come out, let's go ride. Let's hit urban trails. Let's do all kind of shit. So I just even wanted to see if I still had the motherfucking juices for the boosters. Get out there and really ride. I mean, this bike is pretty capable. Suspension, disc brakes, front and back, whatever. I've had this for like 10 years. I was kind of thinking, like, I don't know, maybe it'd be cool to get out there and ride, but shit, now I can't even do that. I mean, San Francisco has been so deserted, it's to the point where coyotes and fucking wolves are coming out howling. It would be really cool to get out there and fuck around a little bit on some trails that are usually mad populated. Just, you know, see what the city has to offer when you're like the only people out there. That'd be hella tight, but I guess I gotta go get some motherfucking tires. But that's if these places are open, because I don't think they're deemed essential business. If I hit Amazon or something, Amazon is taking your order, but they're not delivering shit for like a month out, or at least 2-3 weeks out. So like if I order something today, it'll get here like the middle of May. That's kind of why the giveaway bike parts just came to a screeching halt. I wasn't able to get everything I wanted to for that. Oh yeah, that's coming very soon. Yeah, it's still been happening, but I was really trying to wait this thing out and see if things are changing. It does not look like it is. This shit is just real puzzling, man. Like even Mike's been doing his giveaways and selling his stickers, and he can't even get the people that are making stickers to get the stickers shipped out and everything in time, and I believe that's local. He has a local business doing that. I guess this is cooler than me sitting in my game room talking. And I was talking to my dad. You know, not only are we talking about my brother's past and everything, but, you know, I'm telling him what I got to do to gain access to job sites now. And he's like, God damn, the world is like, how do we get to this so fast, you know? But it's kind of been something that's been happening for a while. And now we got this shit popping up, which puts like a super rush on everything. That's what I'm trying to do. Go ride. But anyway, man, I'm definitely gonna try to get on bars, on pars, and fuck around with more than these cars. I think this bike thing will be cool. It'll be great for me to get out and about, get some fresh air, and pump my heart as hard as I'm physically capable of doing, which is it's not a bad thing. Heart rate's about 160 is good exercise for your heart. Make sure that your heart is healthy, because my assumption is My assumption is that my brother had heart failure and he just went out in the middle of the night, because he was saying how it had started to become more tasking, catching his breath and things like that. And from what the coroner said, it looked like, you know, kidneys failing, retention of water, and shortness of breath. All of those things lead to pointing at heart failure or whatever. And I mean, my dad's still around kicking strong, so I don't know if that's hereditary or anything. So I've always been one, like, even though I'm a big brolic ass nigga, I've always been one to be in the gym. Before the gyms stopped being available to people, it was nothing to me to get out in the gym and go hammer out a couple of miles at a high incline and you know, keep the heart rate up. I was doing that. I don't work out for anything other than to feel good. So I do an hour of cardio, and as long as I feel good, that's my vibe. Keeps my heart rate up, my pace up. I still run a nigga down. If you think you're gonna get over on me, see this big circus bear run your ass down, he'd be mad as shit when I catch your motherfucking ass too. But yeah, I'm almost to the house. Let's jump on the R1, since I haven't rode that thing in ages. To get outside, man. Oh, I can't do it no more, Crazy Larry's. I never could do it to the right. And anyway. Oh, man. I don't know. I mean, I ain't depressed or nothing. Don't get this video for that. Because I'm not. I got way too much shit going on, too much exciting shit happening. I'm living life, I'm loving life, everything is great. I'm just sick of 2020. 2020 could kiss my ass. And I mean, being alive is even more apparent now when you're on the backside of a death to a very fucking extremely close one. I mean, I can't even explain to you how weird it is to see your brother, essentially you, laying there dead, lifeless. You know what I mean? It's a really tough thing to explain, man, when you see somebody that have a whole another half of life in front of them that you know was excited, was a turn-up god. I mean, that nigga overdid everything. Video games, accessories, like anything. He was that nigga to overdo shit. And unfortunately, but I must say the silver lining, right, of all of this is he didn't die violently and he didn't die tragically. Even though it's a tragedy to us, he wasn't in like an extremely crazy car accident or some weird catastrophe. My brother just died in his sleep. So that's an even weird way to look at it, but I mean, that's the silver lining to all of this, right? The streets didn't take my brother. Literally, God took my brother. So who I'm gonna be mad at, right? But I did have some frustration, and like I said, I wanted to swing on everything. Swinging on shit wouldn't change it, you know what I mean? So but I want y'all to love life, yo. I'm around. I'm gonna still be around. I'm just weighing, like, I don't know, people around me at the moment. So I'm dealing with that, but I'll be back around. I'm gonna cut it right here because I'm just finna go ride and not think about nothing. So I'm out, yo. Take a look at the Wheezy. And it's gone.